Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be drawing Mickey Mouse. Quite a simple one. Let's get into it. Start off with that circle for the head. Just give him that kind of sphere ball for the head. 2 circles for the ears. Get that crosshair line in for the eyes and the nose. I'm just going to draw a circle for his body. And to extend that line around, kind of draw his body like a bean shape, I guess you could say. Just drawing the shorts line now and his hand placements with these circles. This is where his hands are going to be kind of laying. Just get his arms in, just little tubes. And there's his front and back leg. And there's his shoe and his back shoe. I'm going to draw them shorts in as well, and the circles, I think they're buttons in his shorts. There's his nose below that crosshair line. And he's got this M shape for that frames the face. Just going to draw these little beans now for the eyes on that eye line. Let's get his thumb in now and just flesh out these hands. That's it for the inner drawing, guys. We're going to go in now and flesh it out with a black pencil. So you notice it's not a perfect circle, it's kind of a bit of a slight oval to it. There's that framing of the face. He's got this line that kind of sits beneath his eyes and above his nose. Just going to add that in there, and there's his pupils. He's got this little kind of shocked face in his mouth. There's them ears. Just going to add in that body now. In his arm, the front arm. He has these big white gloves on. Just going to draw this hand in a bit of a fist position. Like it's closed, like he's walking. And there's that shorts. And the buttons on the shorts. Just getting that back hand drawn in now. Keeping things very simple, shape-wise. And he's kind of taking a step so that front leg's going to come in, in front of the back leg. There's his big shoe. And his back shoe, you don't really see much of it, and his tail kind of just swoops around the back like so. Nice flow to the tail. Now I'm just going to shade in some of the areas to separate the darks to the whites on his face. So his nose, his shorts, a bit of shadow underneath him. I just realised his shorts wouldn't be dark, his shorts would be lighter to his body, so I'm going to shade in his body instead. It's my bad. So shading his body, shading them buttons. Same with his legs. Okay, I think I've decided to leave the buttons unshaded, sorry. There's that shadow beneath his foot to keep him grounded. And that's going to be basically it for Mickey Mouse, guys. If you like the video, leave a like, leave a comment. I will reply to all the comments. Cheers for watching and keep doodling.